You're gonna go fast? Go really fast, Olivia. See what happens. No, you push her and I'll show you afterwards. Ooh, whoa!